So today we are looking at, this is actually part of a garage door installation that we're looking at, but look what they've done. Look what they've done. Now, they know in order for this door to gut up and pass across to go down the tracks that they had to cut these joists. But look at these rafters up here. But look, do you think this is actually, they cut them back to fit? But now they're not even structurally sound. None of them. Okay, this is what we call Crazy Contractor Award. Okay, yep, you won the Crazy Contractor Award because you are a blooming idiot. And it's not even, I don't recommend to be in here on a snow load. If there's snow on this roof, don't come in here. It's that dangerous. Thank you for watching our stupid videos, stupid contractor awards. This is a winner. So sad. Hey, hit like and subscribe. We appreciate all your support. Have a great day. Galloway Building Services.